Hey guys, welcome back to Glamour Gadgets and Gaming by Leah. So today, POCO, one of my favourite budget-friendly brands, has launched a bunch of new devices, but the one I'm most excited about is its first ever POCO smartwatch. And I've been playing with my review model for a couple of days now, and although in POCO's words, it's designed exclusively for fitness enthusiasts, however, in my words, it's a great, reliable, budget-friendly health and fitness smartwatch for all. And with it, POCO has made a fantastic entry into the world of smartwatches. I will leave the link for it in the description box below with the prices for you to go and check out in more detail. It's also launched the flagship POCO F4 GT smartphone and the POCO Buds Pro, which I'll be reviewing on the channel very soon. In this video, we'll have a quick look at what's in the box, a quick overview of the specs and features, etc. And if you guys want to see an unboxing, be sure to check this out on my YouTube Shorts and or IG Reels. In the box we have a user manual in various languages, a magnetic charging dock and the POCO smartwatch, which does give me an Apple Watch vibe. What do you guys think? Measuring at 39.1 by 34.4 by 9.98 millimeters and weighing so light at only 31 grams with the straps on, it does come in three colours: blue, ivory and the one I have in black. Here on the right we have a single function button and a mic. It has these in-box adjustable TPU straps, and guys, it has this beautiful 1.6 inches AMOLED display with 320 by 360 resolution and 301 ppi. It offers over 100 customizable watch faces, over 100 fitness modes, and supports a multi-system standalone GPS which offers fast and accurate positioning. It packs a bunch of sensors which include accelerometer, gyroscope, electronic compass, and here at the back we have an optical heart rate sensor with a charging contact point just below it. And this fantastic POCO smartwatch helps you stay aware of your health, offering blood oxygen measurement, 24-hour heart rate tracking, sleep tracking, stress monitoring, and tracking female health cycles. And unlike many health and fitness smartwatches, the POCO watch is 580M rated, which offers water and dust resistance. It packs a decent 225mAh battery which lasts around 14 days with typical usage and can be charged with this magnetic charging dock, and guys, it's taken around half an hour for a 0 to 100% charge. We have support for Android OS 6.0 or later and iOS 10.0 or later, and it supports Bluetooth 5.0. It's very simple to set up via the QR code, and I've paired my watch to my POCO smartphone, downloaded the fantastic Knee Health app, and off I go. And guys, hands up if you guys want to see a detailed test and review on the POCO smartwatch on the channel. Do let me know in the comments below and do share your thoughts on it too. And if you have any burning questions, do fire these in the comments too, and I'll try my best to answer these as soon as possible. So ladies and gents, here's a very impressive first ever POCO smartwatch, and I will leave the link for it in the description box below with the prices for you to go and check out in more detail. And it's time to wrap up the quick unboxing and overview of the POCO smartwatch. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit that bell icon too, and follow me on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram to be notified of my upcoming videos, giveaways, etc. And guys, there is a fantastic flagship smartwatch giveaway coming up on the channel very soon, so be sure to stick around for it. Until the next one guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay safe, bye.